David Alexander Vasquez. I'm 10 years old. I go to the 4th grade. I go to the school right next to us, right here. I just want to tell you guys, if you see something that needs to be done, do it.
So today we did cleanup day. It's part of the Team Kids leadership. This week's challenge was about the environment. And we just wanted to do our little part here to clean up around the school, around the community, and not only to just make it look aesthetically clean, but at the same time, just so we can see that even in a small radius here, we still collect a good amount of trash. Now just imagine that on a grand scale. And most of that ends up in the ocean.
Oh, it's been looking horrible, and I really appreciate you guys cleaning that up.
We're doing it for Team Kids so we can just clean the environment, have people happy.
We need a lot of you guys.
And picking up trash, so when we go to the beach, there's no trash and sea turtles and seals don't get stuck in the plastic.
Wow, thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
One of the things that we covered last week when we were discussing the challenge was, for example, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. And it's just a bunch of trash that's been collected, that debris that just ends up in the ocean that's larger than the size of Texas.
As you can see, we picked up so much trash. We need to have the area clean so it won't go to the drains, then it goes into the ocean, so it won't go to the animals up their, like straws up their noses and don't get stuck with the plastic. The difficult part is staying out in the sun, but it's all worth it.
They were actually very eager to come out. They were very eager to participate and to do their part as far as this activity. It's a really good group of kids we have here.